Hey guys, it's Inca 4x4. Thank you for being on this one. I hope you had a great new year. We are towing the trailer. We finished putting together. We're doing a little shakedown run and seeing how it all works together. I'm gonna walk through the whole thing. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and all that goodness. Thank you again for being here. Make sure to go to our website, IncaOverlandOutfitters.com, to check out all the gear that we have on our website. So let's get into this video and I'll open up the trailer and just show you all the cool stuff, from the solar to the battery system, the rooftop tent, the awning, all the cool stuff. So appreciate it. Hey, what's up guys? So let's get into this video. Behind me, this is an m416 trailer that we completely rehabbed. We extended the tongue. We added a whole bunch of features, a mount for a 20 propane tank, a 20-gallon propane tank. We added stability jacks. We also added the CJ bumper. We fabricated mounts for it, so it has a spare tire on the back. 270 awning, 23.0 armadillo hard shell rooftop tent with the annex room. It has the ARB elements fridge, so it's waterproof up to a certain amount. And then it's got a cool pull-out drawer, so I'm gonna show you all that cool stuff. So let's get right into it. I'm gonna grab this GoPro like I always do, and we'll just do initial walk around the exterior. So what we did here is, and there's a little things left to do, but I want to give a big shout out to Rick who purchased the trailer. He even had a plate he sent out for me, and we were able to engrave it. That belongs to this trailer. We have it riveted in there, and then the battery system is really cool. We got articulating hitch. Like I was saying, the tongue's extended. We made this mount for this propane tank. It's not gonna go anywhere. There's an EcoFlow Delta 2 Max inside here that we have the ability to charge, to use AC outlet, he's got a 400 watt solar panel. He's also got this like trickle charge, USB mounts, the Julka, the Rhino Batwing 270 awning that comes up. We got Cooper tires here. They are 31 by 10.5 by 15. This is a 5 on 5, 5 on 5.5 lug pattern. We got the lights. We got the Inca 4x4 bag. This thing has been a game changer as far as organization. These trailers are not that big, so yeah, so you could store, we're the only ones that do the 3 compartments. You got one for the toilet, one for trash, and then one for your propane fire pit. We have a stability jack on the back. This is actually a CJ bumper that we fabricated into it, so you can have the swing out. The armadillo rooftop tent opens on this side here. We have the other jack that stows away there that you move to the back if you're, setting this up by yourself. And the way we did this, we'll start with kind of the security features. So when you padlock this and that side, you can't open up that side, and you can't open up this side. So this here flips over, and you got some space. What he's got in here is he's got the Julka shower room, and he's also got the annex room for this 23.0 tent. And this here, the Julka, he has the mount and the cover. We're actually gonna put a little lock on this so you can't take this out, but it's a nice convenient place to just have there. But he also has the ability to take it out if he finds a creek or something. He can collect water and just use this like near a creek. So I'll show you we'll open this up. I'll kind of place you here for a second. And it's been pretty cold here on the southeast. So this opens up like this, and I'll show you this other cool feature that we got going on. So check, I'm actually gonna run this other camera so you can see. And we kind of I haven't charged this in a while, but this is an app for the EcoFlow, and you can go and just click 12 volt, and that turns on. See, I think I have to get closer, but it turns on. There we go. It turns on our switches, which turns on our little Bluetooth pod there. And with that pod, we can go into our other app, switch panel pod there, and yeah, we can turn on rock lights, cargo lights. I don't know if you can see that. We turn on these little amber lights there, and yeah, we also have lights for the USB. I'll show you this OVS system, the kitchen system he's got here. This is super cool. So that's another cool thing. So he's got this cubby in here that will essentially be another locked space if he puts anything in here, and this is locked. There's no way you can get into this, so you know he's got more storage there. But this is so cool. So he pulls this out here, and check this out. He's got this folds up for kitchen, for stove, so he's got like a windshield. He's got a cutting board. He's got a sink, and yeah, he's like, you know, good to go on that. And then what I'll do next is we'll open up. I think we'll open up the awning, and so we're gonna get little straps to hold this down. Let's see, these are just zip tied right now. Yeah, so inside here I have the way we did these, the awning here is pretty just simple design, nothing fancy. You know, the less fancy it is, the more less likely for things to fail. But basically this flips over. You run this little thing through there, and this just locks it in place. Then you do the other side, and it's kind of cold right now, and I'm 5'7", he's like 6, I think he said he's 6 something, so this would be perfect height for him, but for me it's like a little hard to reach and then put it back together. So I'm not gonna open up the 270 awning, but it's just a Rhino Batwing awning 270, so it wraps around over to the cooking area. And then I'll show you the tent, show you how cool this is. Let's see if we put you over a little bit this way so you can see better. But this tent is really nice. Again, on our website, 230 Alu-Cab, free sprayer recreation, Boon Detect. What else? We sell Overland vehicle systems. So any rooftop tent, hard shell, soft shell, 2, 4 person. We have campers too. All of it we offer on our website. And this opens up like this. I like to throw this over like that. And then it has a little bungee here so you can cinch everything down. The legs come out. And then we put the poles here. They're color coordinated. These are the ones for the front. The 230 has this design where you can cover it up and it completely eliminates the light from coming in. So if you'd like to sleep in late, you can. And we're just gonna do these poles here. So I'll bring you inside the tent. And then we had, let me bring this little battery pack, my little Jackery that I have. Oh yeah, we didn't even get to the fridge part yet. So you have another little extra cubby area here, here. That's like locked space toward the back there. But look at this rooftop tent. I really like this. So it's aluminum. It's got tracks if you want to do like crossbars or something. And then the mesh part goes all the way to the front here. And then even the awning, the little overhang, has a mesh too. So if you really need good airflow, this is a tent to get. And everything about this thing is premium. They thought about everything. When you a lot of these tents, when you put this up and you don't have this little cover covering the ladder, what's going to happen is the ladder is going to eventually put a hole in the fabric. So they thought about that. Here, the padding is really, really nice, and like a lot of these tents are not really that soft. The bedding, I feel comfortable sleeping in this. So it's got an LED strip here. And we're just gonna plug it in so you get a little better look. Let's see if we can extend this a little bit. So I should be able to get a little better view. But so you have the little tension pole that also has a little kind of pitch to it, so the water dissipates really, really well. I'll show you one other cool thing that we did with the trailer is we actually put a 12-volt outlet here that you could see, so he could charge his phone, any kind of 12-volt items, lights or whatever. And it's got the sky view that you could zip back. It's just a really nice, really, really nice tent. If you guys are looking for something high quality, definitely this is an option. Let's take a look at the fridge. And so the fridge here also has a lock to it, so you can lock the fridge and see the temperature there, but kind of made it a little stealth, so you know people can't just get into it. But that's where you would put like a little lock if you wanted to lock it. But you could still take your basket out, go into the grocery store, load it up, come in, drop in the basket. Again, this is the AirB Element fridge, so this is the one that's okay to get rain on. And we actually have a wax canvas tarp that goes over this whole thing, that you have these bungee points here, So if you saw this trailer going down the road, you think, oh, this is just a regular M416 trailer. Someone just put a rooftop tent on. You wouldn't really think, oh, this guy's got like a really nice fridge, nice kitchen pull-out, swing out door, battery setup, you know, but yeah. So this is, I'm gonna wrap this up here. And again, Happy New Year to everyone that's checked out my Instagram, Facebook, all that stuff. I've been a little bit off right now because thank you to everyone who congratulated me. I had my first son and my little girl we had 2 years ago, so I think we're done with kids. And yeah, so this is the camper we built. It's an M416. If you're interested in any like this, it did take a lot of time, a lot of effort, but we kind of dialed it in, me thinking about the needs, you know, having the essentials, being nimble, that kind of thing. And yeah, just drop in the comments if you have any questions, but I think you pretty much have everything here. He's just got to get some kind of water source, probably do Dometic jugs or something. And then he's gonna pull this with an older Jeep. But yeah, you got pretty much everything I think you would need. Our Jeep is for sale too with the camper. It's got 103,000 miles. It's a Rubicon 6-speed transmission. So it's really a unique Jeep. It's got Fox shocks. Like I said, the camper pops up. You could sleep up in there, so that's really cool. We got KC lights and, you know, just kind of nothing crazy. So I'll let you to it and catch you on the next one. Oh, so bonus, before the sun goes down, I'm gonna put this trailer away and you can kind of see how long it takes in real time. Let's see. So I'll probably speed it up. Let's do a timer. And let's see, timer, stopwatch. So we'll do a timer, how long it takes to put this away. Starting. Okay. That was a 4-minute pack down. Check that out, 4 minutes. I don't think that's that bad. And you have your trailer, you got all your stuff condensed to it, and you're ready to go to the next site, the next adventure. So again, thanks for being here, and any questions, just message us.